Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name and we're about to get real. Real about travel, real about adventure, and real about not spending a fortune to have an epic time. We're talking about Dubai, but not the Dubai you see on those flashy Instagram feeds. We're digging into the heart of this city to uncover hidden gems, local spots, and experiences that won't break the bank. Dubai is known for its towering skyscrapers and luxury shopping, but there's another side to it. A side where you can soak in the culture, indulge in delicious food, and have unforgettable adventures, all without spending a fortune. Get ready to see Dubai through a different lens, focusing on authenticity, adventure, and affordability. This is Dubai on a budget, and trust me, it's going to be epic. First up, we're starting with a bang, or should I say a splash, the Dubai Fountain Show. This isn't just any fountain, it's a choreographed water dance set to music, with jets shooting water up to 500 feet in the air. And the best part? It's absolutely free to watch. Find a spot along the promenade outside the Dubai Mall, and prepare to be mesmerized. The Burj Khalifa stands tall in the background, its lights twinkling like 1,000 stars. The music starts, the fountain erupts, and you're captivated by the sheer beauty of it all. This is Dubai, and it's magical, all without breaking the bank. All that sightseeing can work up an appetite, right? Satisfy your hunger without emptying your wallet at Al Ustad Special Kebab. This place is a Dubai institution, serving up some of the most delicious and affordable eats in the city. We're talking juicy kebabs, flavorful rice dishes, and freshly baked bread, all for a fraction of what you'd pay at those fancy tourist traps. Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly grilled kebab, the aroma of spices filling your senses. The meat is tender, the flavors are bold, and the price is unbelievably affordable. This is where the locals eat, and for good reason. It's authentic, delicious, and easy on the wallet. Chapter 3. Rove Hotels, your budget-friendly home away from home. You don't need to drop a fortune on a fancy hotel to experience Dubai in style. Rove Hotels are modern, stylish, and won't break the bank. Comfortable rooms, cool common areas, and all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay, all at a price that won't make you cringe. Plus, they're located in prime spots around the city, so you're never too far from the action. Imagine checking into a hotel that's both stylish and affordable. The rooms are modern and comfortable, the staff is friendly and helpful, and the location is perfect for exploring the city. That's the beauty of Rove Hotels. Chapter 4. Dubai Metro, navigating the city like a pro on a budget. Getting around Dubai doesn't have to mean expensive taxis or confusing buses. The Dubai Metro is your new best friend. It's clean, efficient, and incredibly affordable. You can zip across the city in air-conditioned comfort, reaching all the major attractions and neighborhoods without spending a fortune. Imagine effortlessly gliding through the city, the futuristic skyline whizzing by your window. You're comfortable, cool, and saving a ton of money on transportation. The Dubai Metro is a game-changer for budget travelers. Chapter 5. Souk Shopping Tips, Mastering the Art of the Deal. No trip to Dubai is complete without a visit to the souks, the traditional markets that are a feast for the senses. Haggling is expected. Start low, be respectful, and don't be afraid to walk away if you're not happy with the price. Cash is king. You'll often get better deals if you pay with cash, so make sure you have enough on hand before you hit the souks. Be patient. Don't feel pressured to buy something you don't love. Take your time, browse the stalls, and you're sure to find some hidden treasures at bargain prices. Shopping in the souks is an experience in itself. With a little bit of haggling and a lot of patience, you can find amazing deals and stretch your budget even further. So there you have it folks, Dubai on a budget. From free attractions like the Dubai Fountain Show to affordable eats at Al Ustad Special Kebab, we've uncovered the secrets to experiencing this incredible city without breaking the bank. Remember, travel isn't about how much money you spend, it's about the experiences you have and the memories you make. So what are you waiting for? Book that trip, pack your bags, and get ready to experience Dubai like never before. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly travel tips and adventures. See you in the next video.